One of the most common things that happens once we've been betrayed is it's really hard to make decisions. Why? Because there's been a complete and total shattering of trust. We don't trust the person who betrayed us, and then we don't trust ourselves because we're like, I'm the right person. How did I not see? How did I not know? And if we can't trust the person we trusted the most, and we don't trust ourselves, well, then how in the world can we trust in everyone and everything? So until trust is completely rebuilt, and it can be, I actually teach a 4-part trust rebuilding process, so many resources in my bio, but what can you do until then? One of the things you can do is this. What would you suggest to someone you love? If you have kids, if you have a family member, a best friend, what would you recommend to them? And sometimes it's because it's so hard when it's us, but if a question comes up and you're not sure, check in with your response in what you'd suggest to a loved one. And sometimes it makes it really so much clearer. And then even with that decision, I still would wait a little bit to make sure it's the right one. I recommend never make a decision from a low place, but if you need to make some immediate decisions and it's so hard to trust ourselves, that's a way around it where you're checking in with the people you love to see, what would I recommend to them? What would feel so right for them? And that's usually something that would work well for you. I hope that helps.